It has finally arrived, the rarest thing that you can get right now in the market. That is the RTX 3090. And this thing, I have been waiting for it for so long now. It has honestly been such a pain to get it. You literally can't buy it anywhere. Now, obviously, you can't really buy this on the market anymore, so I've had to buy it off StockX, which is pretty much a bidding site, and I kind of just went in for the shop and just bought it at $2,895. Around that price is basically nearly $3,000. And that is something stupid, and I know before we start this video, a lot of you are going to say I'm pretty stupid for doing something like this, but it is something that I really want, and I have my reasons. They had a look through this little gap right here. So as you can see, I've kind of already got a little bit of an opening. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, like, I've been waiting for so long for it. Okay, here we go. So we are in and we are open. Right, let's do this. Oh god, this is going to be a big fail if it isn't, but let's just do it and find out. So far, so good. I mean, it is literally in the bag as well. So, here we have it. The big boy. The RTX 3090. And it definitely is the 3090. That is great. It's got a bit of weight to it, not gonna lie. But this thing, especially the ASUS Strix one, which is absolutely amazing. And it's just such a good looking card. It's got the little verification thing right there. So they verified it, they made sure it is the RTX 3090. From the box, it's looking all good. It looks like obviously it's been opened, so the condition of it so far really does look brand new. But let's find out. So let's get the sticker off. We're just going to take this little sticker right here off and find out what we have inside. I'm getting all excited, but this is the moment of truth right here where we get to find out. And this came out of it as well. I've only just noticed. So we've got a little note from StockX right here. Their verification, so they have fully had a look at it, which is really good. That's what we're wanting. So let's see inside what we have here. I'm gonna open this out. I'm so careful with the box. I really don't want to I want to keep everything in good condition. I could just lift that. That's easy. Just lift it all the way. There we go. I'm gonna slide this out. Let's see what we have inside. This is just absolutely insane. Not gonna lie, at the beginning I didn't really think there was much weight, but now it's getting closer to it. It does feel like we have a bit of weight to it. So we'll put that there. And it's upside down. It might help if it's the right way around. Of course, we've got the Strix look to it. Their signature. And wow. Oh my god, this thing is huge! Look at the size of that. That is a big boy, that. I've never seen something just... That is insane. This... I wish I had a... Oh my god, and this thing's bulky. Whoa, this is insane. Jesus, look at that. It's not even been opened either. Oh, maybe it has. God damn it. This is the size of the 3090. I'm a bit nervous to... Wow. Just look at this. It's even got the original stickers on. This is basically brand new, so I didn't get scammed or anything. It's legit. I just can't believe the size of it. This is massive. Right, so just to show you all the proof of it, of how much it really costs, you can see right here we have the price, so how much it costs right here, and it is 100% authentic. So we have it right here. So they weren't lying about it. Now, for anyone who is thinking of buying it from the same place, just be careful. The stickers are like a warranty sort of thing. So once you remove it, you know, you have to check it first, inspect it before you actually do anything. But anyway, there's also some things inside here as well. So inside the box, of course, you've got yourself some things too. So if we have a look, you get yourself this little book thing. I'm not quite sure. I think this is either the user manual or some stickers. So let's see what you get with it. Oh wow, there's some. Yeah, so basically it's the manual. You've got yourself a nice ROG logo right there, as you can see. The ASUS one. You also get some sort of card, which looks very interesting. And that looks very similar to my logo right there. Look at that. It looks very similar to my logo. It's very shiny. It looks like a trading card, to be honest with you. I reckon they've got themselves little trading cards. So as you can see, it's kind of like a trading card that you get with it. And then of course you've got yourself the user manual. You've got a little thank you saying for the purchase. And you also have some sort of speed setup. So this is just another manual once again. It's quite neat. I quite like it. Very professional looking. So I'm going to put this one back. And the other thing that got my eyes on is this thing, which I'm not sure what it is. But I think you've got yourself some ASUS. It looks like they are straps for something. I'm not quite sure what it's for. So as you can see, we have these. The other thing that was quite interesting to see is this thing as well. It looks like a little tiny ruler. But yeah, so I wanted to make this video because I wanted to get a live reaction of me opening this, and I kind of took a gamble. I really wanted it, so I just went for it. Could have been, you know, something that I could have lost. I could have got scammed easily. But sometimes, you know, you just got to take risks. It is stupidly expensive. I mean, this shouldn't even cost that much. When it originally came out, it was half the price of what it is now. But that's insane. Oh my god. So in the end, it is worth trusting StockX. They do look after you. They do give you notifications. I definitely was notified straight away, and I was told what was going to happen when it was on the way to the routes to the place. But yeah, I'll be doing a follow-up video. I'm not going to say what it is, but keep an eye out on the channel. But anyway, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. We have it right here. This rare thing called the RTX 3080. Oh, for God's sake. Just to show you this, how much this really costs. And you can see right there, it is 100% authentic. So as you can see right there, it's 100%